I was feeling a bit stuck creatively, so I went to spend time with a few friends to get me out of the funk. I mean, we've been home on lockdown for so long, so I felt, you know what, I need a break. The result of that break is what you're about to see.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is just to tell you that I do natural videos, and guess what? I got a voiceover artist.
Aka, you are needed. I'll save you the stress of seeing my crusty I woke up like this face. But on this day, I decided to create an Instagram reel with some products a brand sent to me. Here's the process. I had the concept I wanted to create in mind, so I just went straight to work. So first, I walked into the bathroom and did a scene where I was taking off my clothes. But of course, you can't see that. And next, to showing the product, showing how it lathers up. Because it's a cleanser, I feel like people need to see some of those features of the product. I also showed myself washing my face with it, and I tried to show that it actually smells good. And after that, I went on to the second part of the package, which was a sunscreen product, and I showed the quantity that I use. I tried to smell it and see if it smells nice or nasty. I also tried to show that it doesn't leave a white cast on my skin tone. It's a wrap, guys.
Is it?
It's a wrap.
Is it?
I just finished shooting the skincare video. I'm going to show you guys the outcome in 3, 2, 1. I want to show you guys the outfit that FemmeLuxe, the outfit that FemmeLuxe sent to me. And if you are hearing someone's voice, Tega, do you want me to show your face?
I'm a star, I'm a rapper.
Tega, are you okay? What is that?
I'm a star, I'm a rapper, I'm a star, I'm a rapper, I'm a star.
Actually, so this is the sunscreen that I reviewed in that video, and I'm actually surprised. I mean, no white cast, and it's a 3-in-1, so it's a serum, it's a moisturizer, and it's an SPF.
I'm definitely taking it.
SPF 30. This guy is a thief.
Thanks.
This guy is a thief. She wants to steal it, but it like just simplifies your routine. Instead of washing your face and have to do serum, moisturizer, and SPF, you do the 3-in-1 step, and it makes sense. So I'm going to use it for a couple of like weeks.
But how can you be a skincare person and you've never asked, Tega, what do you use for your face? So
you guys don't answer this girl. Don't answer this girl. The last time I came here, didn't I give you skincare products?
You gave me what? What did you give me?
See, part of what I gave you here is good. This is how God used to expose people. Part of what I gave her is still here.
But that's body cream now.
It's for both face and body.
I had to finish my Cetaphil.
Okay. So now, whose fault is it that you had to finish that? Is it not my fault that I did not give you skincare?
But skinny cream. Look at like my whole body.
Did I give you? I didn't give you sunscreen.
No, you didn't give me sunscreen.
Okay, it's for me. I give sunscreen, but you have sunscreen. The thing is, you have these products. You just don't use them.
I used it on my face. Last night, shower.
When last did you use your sunscreen, Tega?
Last night.
Are you supposed to use sunscreen in the night?
You're the one that told me that I can use it to moisturize my face. After I told you that my makes my eyes itch.
I told you that you can use sunscreen in the night.
Yes.
See, I'm not even going to talk because everybody that knows me knows that it can never be possible. Maybe you didn't tell me it was a sunscreen. Maybe you just told me, oh, I have this cream. If you had told me it was a sunscreen, I would never tell you to use a sunscreen in the night.
I thought these things are not going on.
It's there. Now. It's going. You are giving my people content to watch. It's there.
So my argument is not
yes. Yes. They will see how I'm trying for the people in my life, but they don't take it. They take me for granted.
Okay, but what can I do about this thing that under my eyes? Because I'm really tired.
I've told you now.
I should not do it.
Yeah.
How much will it cost me?
That one I don't know.
Will you pay for me?
Anyway, thanks, guys. Let's just go to the outfits that I have to review because it's not me this guy is talking to. I should come and pay for your.
So you pay for your best friend's blazer. I guess friendship is not real then.
So, they sent me 4 outfits. One of them is what I'm currently wearing. This is a white top. This is a gown, like a sheer. It looks really sheer. I think I'll have to wear something inside. And this is a top and a skirt.
No way.
Yep. This is a top and a skirt.
Tell them that you increased the size for 10.
Show your face. So that when I tell them, they will know that you are the culprits.
No, just tell them that you increased the size for 10.
I actually got the size right for this one I'm wearing. They sent this one as well. See my booty. I also got this pair of press-on nails because COVID is outside and we can't get our nails done. But just for days where I need like a quick fix. This is how it looks like. It's so pretty.
It is pretty.
Oh, I like it. Anyway, I'm going to have breakfast first before I come back to work. Come back to work. Here's what happened instead. Guys, I just had breakfast, like really small breakfast, and we just sat down. Tega and I just sat down to watch Scandal, and before I knew it, I slept off. Like I just woke up. Right now, I just want to have lunch because the breakfast I had was so small. Hi guys, I'm so tired. Like I woke up tired. I don't know why. And
oh mama, oh mama, you are good and you are kind. Oh warrior.
I have a lot of things to do.
But we slept late though.
But not later than when sleep was around though.
But 2 nights in a row, and you expect yourself to be energized today.
I have a meeting by 12. I might go out with Tega. I'm trying to film today, and I'm trying to. I think I want to try and edit the reel that I filmed yesterday. But before that, I need to eat because I'm tired. But I feel like that food is a setup because after I eat it, I will sleep again.
What did you order? Just pancakes?
I haven't ordered it yet, but I'm thinking pancakes. But I don't know what to order with the pancakes. No, I don't know what to order with the pancakes.
Pancakes and chicken and waffles.
I don't know what else. Anyway, guys, let's see how today goes. Hopefully, I'm able to achieve something today because yesterday was actually quite productive.
Should we order HelloFresh?
Well, let's see.
Would you cook it?
I don't like cooking, Tega. God, my mother-in-law is going to watch this video. I don't like cooking, please.
I know the wife, yeah.
Especially HelloFresh, that they always bring new. It's always new dishes, stuff you have not eaten before. Imagine going through the stress of cooking it and you end up not liking it.
Maybe we'll pick the things, because like I have HelloFresh books. Okay, so what are we eating? We say we'll make coconut fried rice, right?
Yeah, we can make coconut fried rice.
I
like coconut fried rice.
And what though?
Pasta.
I know coconut, but I'm saying coconut fried rice and what? Chicken.
I guess chicken
I don't feel like eating any protein. I'm tired of all the
or
protein.
fish.
It's so stupid.
Get out about the protein. Aka, you are needed. Milk. Sure you eat milk. But let them cook milk for you from Aka factory.
Stop dragging the
Aka.
poor.
You people don't, I'm sorry if you don't know this joke. I can't explain it, but anyway, let's start the day. Yeah. Yes. Okay. It's somebody Tega, please. So we are going to our friend's house, Vivi's house, and we just decided to stop by at the store to just pick up a few things before going.
Can you focus and tell me what we should buy?
I don't know. People are looking for wine. I'm not sure this is the best place to buy wine, but is that ramen? Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm trying to get back to YouTube soon. I have a lot of videos to share with you guys. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.